Hi everyone, I am Francesco Amara and I am a manufacturer of Sicilian drums. I would like to maintain this tradition. My passion was born because I used to follow the concerts of the great Sicilian master Alfio Antico, who made me passionate about this instrument and who is now one of my main customers.
Come nasce?
No, diciamo che dentro di me è successa un'evoluzione.
Something happened inside me that made me fall in love with this instrument.
No, mi emoziono perché tutto dietro questo.
I get excited because behind this object there are sacrifices, a choice of life.
Sì, perché io diciamo che già sono in lockdown da 7 anni, 8 anni, non esco più in giro, eccetera.
I decided to isolate myself from the world, to live here with my drums. Somehow I found myself again. I really got to know myself, and the drums became my children. But this was not a good thing.
E quindi da quel momento?
E da quel momento ho capito che invece i miei tamburi dovevano stare lontano da me, dovevano volare.
And then I realized that it was better if they stayed away from me. They went their own way, just like children. In 2003, I started making my first drums and playing them.
Certo, sì, perché comunque i tamburi sono una storia della Sicilia.
Drums are part of Sicilian folklore, of our past, of our traditions that we must do everything to save. This is a classic Sicilian drum. It was designed by a collaborator of mine.
Fantastica. Quello è un altro tamburo che si ispira a Catania.
This is another Sicilian drum that represents Catania.
Va bene, andiamo.
No, qua in questa parte creo.
This is my workshop. These are saucers, all beaten by hand. It is recycled metal. They saved me tomato cans.
Questa è la miniera, questa.
Here I work with metals. I cut it into this shape and I beat it with a hammer. I will show you.
Pelle di?
Pelle di capra artigianale. Queste pelli io li sto prendendo da
I use goat skin that is handcrafted. Then we put in the saucers.
Io li faccio diventare così.
These cups become the little saucers, which you put between two saucers to give them a different sound. I'll show you how they attach to the drum.
Poi mettiamo all'interno questo. Questo è a zero.
Che significa?
Significa che viene chiuso.
This wood is olive. This one is totally closed, modern type. The classic one is like this, with a double layer.
Questo
Mi è piaciuto?